Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. This is part 7 of the chapter squares and square roots. In this part 7, we will be learning finding square of a number. So, we will be learning in finding square of a number some methods or some alternative methods. Students, if I want to find a square of a number, I need to multiply the given number by itself. If I wanted to multiply any number by itself, normally we use the knowledge of multiplication. Generally, to multiply any number by another number, we have learnt the method of a digit by another digit. For example, if I wanted to find square of 23, that means I need to multiply 23 by 23. This we do 2-digit multiplication will be carried by multiplying each digit of one number with the each digit of the other number. You have learned this method. 3 multiplying to 3 gives 9. This 3 multiplying to 2 gives 6. So, this 3 multiplying to the all digits of the other number gave 69, and below the units place digit we keep a plus sign. That means we do not do anything beneath of that 9. Next, we have another digit 2 with whom we have to multiply rest of the digits. So, 2 into 3 gives 6, 2 into 2 gives 4. Now, we need to do addition. While adding, digits written beneath of the digits to be added. 9 plus, there is no digit, 9 comes as it is. 6 plus 6 gives 12, where 2 is written here and 1 becomes carry. So that 1 added to 4 gives us 5. So the answer is 529. 23 square is 529. So this is the technique which we have learned finding square of any number by multiplying the number by itself. So this is usual method. 23 into 23 gives us these steps. After that answer we arrive at the answer 529. So students, do we have any alternate methods to find the square of a number other than multiplying like this? That is the question which we get. Yes, we have got some alternate methods. In this session, we will be learning those alternate methods. First method, we learn finding square of a number using some here using algebraic identity. So, which identity that we are going to use? It is a plus b whole square. What is this a plus b whole square? In class 7th we learned a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. We learned that a plus b whole square as the sum of these three terms, a square, a multiplied by a only, plus 2ab, 2ab means 2 into a into b plus b square. So students, here we will be having the same technique applied, but we know that 23 is nothing but 20 plus 3. And if I want to find the square of 23, that means I have to find out 23 square as 20 plus 3 whole square. 20 plus 3 whole square will be here 20 plus 3 whole square will be done either using algebraic identity, the way how I have explained you, same, (20) square where 20 plus 3 becomes like a plus b whole square, where in which 2 into 20 into 3 plus 3 square. This way we write. How this comes is here we have 20 plus 3 whole square can be written as 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. So using distributive property, this 20 multiplies to whole of 20 plus 3 plus sign this 3 multiplied to whole of this 20 plus 3. Now again distributive property, 20 into 20, 20 square, 20 into 3, 20 into 3, next 3 into 20, so 20 into 3 added to 3 into 20, which is same 20 multiplied to 3 for twice. So we have this both once here added, once product and second time product, that products are added. So total 2 times it is. So that's how this 2 into a into b, that 2ab has come. Now 3 into 3, 3 square. So this technique we can use where 20 square is 400, 2 into 20 into 3 gives 120 plus 3 square gives 9. So totally it is 529. So that's how this answer has arrived. Students, the same thing I am going to explain. Here 20 square plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 square, which gives us 400 plus 60 plus 60 plus 9 and that gives us 529 as answer. This is one of the alternate method. Writing 23 as 20 plus 3, and to find 23 square, finding 20 plus 3 whole square. Now we shall see some more questions in this alternate method. I am giving you a work. Note down those two numbers and find the square of those two numbers using this alternate method. Here is the work for you. Find the square of following numbers without actual multiplication. You are asked to find without actual multiplication. So find out 39 square. How will you write 39 square? It can be written as 30 plus 9 square. Next, how will you write 42 square? 40 plus 2 square. Pass the screen and find out the answer. Ha, students, I hope you have already found square of number 39 and 42 by using alternate method. Now we will do that and cross check. Here, to find out 39 square, we need to find out 39 square, we need to write first as 30 plus 9 whole square. 30 plus 9 whole square is, using identity, a plus b whole square identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write it as 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 9 plus 9 square. 30 square is 900. 2 into 30 into 9. 2 3s are 6. 9 6 are 54 and 1 0, 540 plus 81. Now we have adding of this one. (900 plus 500) 1400. 40 plus 81 121. So 1521 is the square of 39. So 39 square is 1521. So this how we will do in alternate method without any actual multiplication. I hope you have found correctly. Similarly, we can find for 42 whole square also by writing 40 plus 2 whole square using same identity. 40 square plus 2 into 40 into 2 plus 2 square, whereas 40 square is 1600. 2 into 40 into 2 is 160 and 2 square is 4. Adding them 1764. Therefore 42 square is 1764. So this is how we do multiplication, without actual multiplication, square of a number. Now students, exercise 6.2 contains, based on this method, some more numbers given. So you find the square of those numbers using this alternate method. In our next session, I'll be discussing some other alternative techniques to find the square of a number. Now the time is to note down homework. The homework is exercise 6.2. First question, find the square of following numbers. Here I have got totally 6 numbers given. Those 6 numbers, in that 32 is one number, I think we have already found. So you find for all these 6 numbers square numbers of them. So with this I'll wind up this session. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good day.